Oof. Big box. Are you ready to know what's inside that box? Well, let's find out.
Here we go.
We are tonight's entertainment. All it takes is a little push.
Why so serious?
I guess y'all wondering what was inside that box. So here we have a wide body kit for a 2010 Honda Civic Si. So I've had this body kit sitting in storage for a couple years now because I can't just mount it. There's gonna be a little bit of work that needs to be done. So with all the fighting I did with the company in sending it, it took months, and I mean like 6 months, me battling with them to get this thing shipped to me. And when I finally get it shipped, it comes with defects, obviously. So when I ordered it, the website, it said that this was plastic. It came in fiberglass. And when I checked the website again, it changed from plastic and it said fiberglass. So when I received it, it has this chip here. It has a little scuff here, which could easily get sanded, but a chip here. All these marks here can get sanded down. All this right here can just get sanded down. But the biggest is this hole right here. You can see it got the piece in here like pushed in. You see that? The rest of it seems to fit fine. It has like little minor things that could get sanded out. Right? Side skirts, I checked them over. They seem fine. They just need a sanding and a paint. That's just maybe just like a scuff mark. It just needs to get sanded and painted. Same thing with the one on the bottom. The fenders. Fenders fit fine up into the part that I'll show you on this Civic. The part that lines up here with the hood is all kinds of fucked up. It's like squiggly and not even a straight line. So my plan for those fenders is, I'm gonna flip this camera here, let me flip this up. So here we have the passenger side fender. You know, same thing, just needs to get sand down, you know, get these little imperfections smoothed out, like little lips right here. All that, not a problem. Needs to get smoothed out, sanded down anyways. But when you line it up with the hood, this is the top part of it. You can kind of see it on camera. This comes out, comes in, comes out. It's not a straight line. Had it been a straight line, it'd have been easily able to mount. But now I gotta fucking customize this shit my way. So my plan with this is I'm gonna leave the factory fender on. Here we go. I'm gonna leave the factory fender on, and I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna cut along this line here, all the way around, up, and then up to the point right here, more than likely up to the point. So I'm gonna take it like that and follow this line around. So that way, I may even have to leave a little lip because I'm gonna have to cut the factory fender, and then I'm gonna have to mount this with hardware going along the fender line. So yeah, I'm gonna have to leave. I'm gonna start off with 1 inch. So I'm just gonna go cut 1 inch above this line, and then more than likely come up to here. Maybe right where this thing comes. I'll cut up to here, and then come along, and then follow 1 inch all the way around, so I can have more material in case I want to shorten it up. Better to have more and cut it than have less and have nothing to add on to. But this is the wide body kit. You see this is where the body of the door is. So it's gonna come out that much. And there's a bunch of different pieces that come to it. It comes this part that goes over the rear quarter panel. Those are fine. No problems with those. No problems with the side skirts. Just, you know, same old thing. Gotta sand and smooth out some spots. This right here, you can see the fiberglass comes through, so I might have to fill that in depending on how it sands down. But side skirts are fine. Side skirts again, they come out to match the wide body for the rear. So the rear quarter panels come here, and on the other Civic, they come all the way up to this body line that's up here on the other Civic, on my 2010. So the body kit comes like this, follows the body line, and then comes down, and then this is one piece right here. And then the side skirts start from here, comes down, and it goes all the way to the front, and it matches the front fender. And then along with the wide body front bumper and back bumper, which are right here. That's the back bumper, it's the front bumper right there. And under here is another quarter. And then it comes with these little flaps that go on the front fender. Like these little fucking rectangles that you screw onto here and then onto the front fender just for dramatic effect, I guess. So what I'm gonna be doing now is I'm just gonna test fit everything. I test fit the front bumper, and the front bumper fits perfectly fine. It looks real good. Aside those little deficiencies I gotta fix. I never tested the rear bumper, nor the side skirts, and obviously the quarter panels. The quarter panels, the way these go on, you're supposed to drill holes in the factory body and screw it in from the back. I kind of don't want to drill holes in the body of the car because if I ever want to take them off, I don't want to have holes all over the quarter panel. So I'm going to try to figure out a way to mount the quarter panel section without having to screw it in with the rib nuts that it comes with. I'm going to more than likely see if I can get it in with, I'll put those heavy tape going around the whole edge, and then I'm thinking of screwing it in. Let's see, for example, I'm thinking of screwing it in from here to the actual piece that goes there, so that way I don't have to destroy the body of the car. It's going to be a mission because I'm feeling now in the back of this, it's not like it's this is thin and I can just go and reach it from the back here. It's thick, so the way they made this is weird. You see? It's like covered up. Maybe for strength, I don't know. It looks like a 5-year-old made this. So I'm gonna have to build along on top of this. So we'll see what I could do. So I think I got the final pieces I needed to get started on this wide body kit. I went to the junkyard and I grabbed myself some fenders off another Civic. They are completely destroyed, minus the parts that I want to use. I want to use everything from this line up, which on these fenders are great. But unfortunately, on this one, it looks like somebody was previously trying to take it off, so I had to rip it off here. So it looks like I'm gonna have to use from here across, which should be fine. I may even be able to use some of this. I'll probably have to cut this off where it's slit. I'll cut it off here and go along this body line here and then follow it down like this. Follow it down here and then use this part. But it's time to get started. But unfortunately, I'm going to have to leave you guys with blue balls because it won't be till the next video. Because as you can hear, it's raining out, and obviously it rains every time I want to do something. So I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.